Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to fix Instagram username not available. So let's have a look now. Open your Instagram, then click on the profile icon, then edit profile, click on username. If you want to use another username but it's saying that username not available, then it means another account is exists with same username. To fix that, you have to use an available version of the username. You can add periods, numbers, underscores, or abbreviations to help you come up with a username that's not already in use. So, write down your new username and see if it's available. Okay, here you go. So, if you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Zoft. Zoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zoft today. For more details, check the description box.